Measure of center tendency and dispersion. MCQ number 35. The mean and standard deviation of a normally distributed dataset are 19 and 4 respectively. 19 is subtracted from every term in the dataset and then the result is divided by 4. Which of the following best describe the resulting distribution? A. It has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. B. It has a mean of 0 and standard deviation of 4 and its shape is normal. C. It has a mean of 1 and a standard deviation of 0. D. It has a mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1 and its shape is normal. E. It has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 4 and its shape is unknown. The true answer is it has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1 and its shape is normal. MCQ number 36. A tabulation of cumulative absolute frequency value is useful in determining A. the mode, B. the variance, C. the median, D. the mean. The right answer is the median, because in cumulative absolute frequency we find the middle value and that is median. 37. If modal value is not clear in a distribution, it can be ascertained by the method of A. grouping, B. guessing, C. summarizing, D. trial and error. The right answer is trial and error. 38. The middle value of an ordered series is called A. second quartile, B. fifth decile, C. 50th percentile, D. all of above. The right answer is all of the above. 39. The variate values which divide a series frequency distribution into 10 equal parts are called A. quartile, B. decile, C. octile, D. percentile. The right answer is decile. In quartile we divide data in 3 parts, in decile we divide in 10 parts, in octile we divide it 8 parts, and percentile we divide it at 100 parts. And 44 percentiles. The total number of partition value are A 10, B 59, C 100, D 99. The right answer is 100, because in percentile we divide the data in 100 parts. 41. The first quartile divides a frequency distribution in the ratio A 4:1, B 1:4, C 3:1, D 1:3. The right answer is 1:3. Quartile 1, 2, 3, and we find 3 quartile. 42. Sum of the deviation about mean is A 0, B minimum, C maximum, D 1. The right answer is 0. The sum of deviation equal to 0. 43. Histogram is useful to determine graphically the value of A mean, B median, C mode, D all of the above. Histogram is used to determine graphically the value of mode, because it determines the highest value. 44. Median can be located graphically with the help of A. histogram, B. ogive, C. bar diagram, D. scatter diagram. The right answer is ogive. 45. Sixth decile is same as A median, B 50th percentile, C 60th percentile, D first quartile. The right answer is 60th percentile. 46. Which of the following statements are true? 1. The median is resistant to extreme value. 2. The mean is resistant to extreme value. 3. The standard deviation is resistant to extreme value. A 1 only, B 2 only, C 3 only, D 2 and 3 only, E 1 and 3 only. The right answer is 1 only. The median is resistant to extreme value. Median is not affected by highest or lower value. 47. One of the value is a normal distribution is 43 and its z-score is 1.65. If the mean of the distribution is 40, what is the standard deviation of the distribution? A 3, B minus 1.82, C minus 0.55, D 1.82, E minus 0.55. The right answer is 1.82. 43 minus 40 divided by 6 equal to 1.65, and then divide it on sigma value, which is equal to 1.8. 48. What percentage of value lies between 5th and 25th percentile? The right answer is 20. Which of the following statements are true? A. Generally speaking, using a trimmed mean with a moderate trimming proportion between 5% and 25% will yield a measure that is neither as sensitive to outlier as the mean nor as insensitive as the median. B. When the data is categorical, a frequency distribution or relative frequency distribution provide an effective tabular summary of the data. C. When the n observation in a sample are ordered from smallest to largest and n is odd, then the sample median is 9 plus 1, n plus 1 by 2th order value. D. None of the above is true. E. All of the above are true. The right answer is all of the above are true. 50. Which of the following is a unitless measure of dispersion? A. Standard deviation. B. Mean deviation. C. Coefficient of variation. D. Range. The right answer is coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation is unitless measure of dispersion. 51. Absolute sum of deviation is minimum from A. Mode. B. Median. C. Mean. D. None of the above. The right answer is mean. 52. In a distribution as standard deviation equal to 6, all observation multiplied by 2 would give the result to standard deviation is A. 12, B. 6, C. 18, D. 6. The right answer is 12. The mean of square deviation about the mean is called A. Standard deviation, B. Variance, C. Mean deviation, D. None. The right answer is variance. 54. The minimum value in a set is 9 and the range is 57. The maximum value of set is A. 33, B. 66, C. 48, D. 24. The right answer is 66. And range equal to max minus minimum. Range at 57 equal to max minus 9. 57 plus 9 equal to max. 66 equal to max. 55. Quartile deviation is equal to A. Interquartile range, B. Double the interquartile range, C. Half of the interquartile range, D. None of the above. The right answer is double the interquartile range. Interquartile range equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2 and then also divided by 2, that is equal to interquartile range, and quartile range is equal to 2 times of interquartile range. Which of the following measure is most effective by extreme value? A. Standard deviation, D. Quartile deviation, C. Mean deviation, D. Range. The right answer is range. 57. Which measure of dispersion ensure highest degree of reliability? A. Range, B. Mean deviation, C. Quartile deviation, D. Standard deviation. The right answer is standard deviation. 58. For a negatively skewed distribution, the correct inequality is A equal to mode less than median, B. Mean less than median, C. Mean less than mode, D. None of above. The right answer is mean is less than mode. And in case of positively skewed, mean is greater than mode. 59. In case of positively skewed distribution, the extreme value lie in the A. left tail, B. right tail, C. middle, D. anywhere. The right answer is right tail. 60. The square root of the variance as a measure of dispersion is always the A. half variance, B. median, C. z-score, D. standard deviation. The right answer is standard deviation. 61. Suppose a large number of people take a test and every single student get exactly half of the answer right. In the case, the standard deviation is A equal to the mean, B equal to the median, C equal to 0, D impossible to determine without more information. The right answer is equal to 0. 62. Which of the following is an expression of the extent to which value are spread out relative to the mean? A. The average, B. The mode, C. The median, D. None of the above. The right answer is none of above. 63. Suppose a large number of people take a test. The third decile point is determined by A. Finding the highest score representing the worst 20% or fewer paper. The third decile is at the top of the set. B. Finding the highest score representing the worst 30% or fewer paper. The third decile is at the top of the set. C. Finding the lowest score representing the best 20% or fewer paper. The third decile is at the bottom of the set. D. Finding the lowest score representing the best 30% or fewer paper. Third decile is at the bottom of the set. The right answer is finding the highest score representing the worst 30% or fewer paper. The third decile is at the top of the set. 64. Suppose many students take a 10 question quiz and the mean turn out to be 7.2 to answer correct. Suppose the standard deviation turn out to be 0.722. What is the coefficient of variation? A. We cannot answer this unless we know how many people take the quiz. B. 0.1. C. 10. D. 100. The right answer is 0.1. We divide 0.722 over 7.22, which is equal to 0.1. 65. Imagine that you take a standardized test and after you have finished, you are told that you are at the 91 one decile. This means 90 of the students taking the same test have score higher than your. B. 90% of the students taking the same test have score higher than your. C. 90% of students taking the same test have score lower than your. D. Nothing. There is no such thing as the 91% decile. The right answer is D. 67. If you take a standardized test and then you are told you are in the 15 percentile, this means A. that your score is among the lowest in the range. B. that your score is among the best in the range. C. that your score is near the middle of the range. D. that your score has low correlation. E. nothing is particular about your score. The right answer is that your score is near the middle of the range. 67. How many decile points are there in a set of 100,000 ranked data element? A. More information is necessary in order to answer this question. B. 9 point. C. 10. D. 99. E. 100. The right answer is 9. 68. The average of the outcome in an experiment is known as A. Continuous variable. B. Discrete variable. C. Random variable. D. Mean. E. Frequency. The right answer is mean. 69. Which of the following pair of characteristics are both measure of the extent to which the data in a distribution is spread out? A. The mean and the median. B. The mean and the deviation. C. The variance and the standard deviation. D. The mode and the mean. E. None of the above. The right answer is the variance and standard deviation, because variance and standard deviation tell us about the spread of the data. 70. If the number of elements in a distribution is even, then the dash is the value such that half the element have value greater than or equal to it and half the value have value less than or equal to it. A. Mean. B. Average. C. Standard deviation. D. Median. E. Variance. The right answer is median, because in case of median we find the middle value and half value are greater than it and half value are less than it. 71. In a normal distribution, an element in the 35th percentile lies within A. the first quartile, B. the second quartile, C. the third quartile, D. the fourth quartile, E. the middle quartile. The right answer is the second quartile. 72. In a ranked data set, the value of the third quartile point minus the value of the first quartile is called A. the interquartile range, B. the standard deviation, C. the variance, D. the coefficient of variation, E. the z-score. The right answer is the interquartile range, which is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. 73. If x and y have the variance 25 and 9, then standard deviation x minus y is A. 16, B. 34, C. 7, D. 0. The right answer is 7. Estimate the standard deviation of the population from which the following set of sample observation were drawn: 26, 31, 31, 27, 24, 29, 29. The right answer is 2.61. We add all this value and divide it over total number. 75. Estimate the variance of the population which produced the following sample data: 26, 31, 31, 27, 24, 29, 29. A 6.81, B 5.84, C 2.61, D 2.42. The right answer is 5.82. 76. The median is a better choice than the mean for a measure of central tendency if the data A are binomial, B often have outlier, C are normally distributed, D are exponentially distributed. The right answer is often have outlier, because in case of median we only find the middle value. It is not affected by highest or lower value. 77. Calculate the estimate value variance of the population from which the following value have been randomly extracted: 2.8, 2.7, 2.6, 2.9, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8. The A 0.095, B 0.009, C 0.088, D 0.008. The right answer is 0.009. 78. An advantage of using standard deviation rather than range for measuring dispersion of a large sample is that A. Standard deviation has a smaller formula. B. Calculator have a standard deviation key but not a range key. C. Standard deviation uses information from each measurement. D. Range calculation are not normally distribution. The right answer is standard deviation uses information from each measurement. 79. If in a categorical data situation we focus attention on a particular category and code the sample result so that one is recorded for an individual not in the category, then the sample proportion of individual in the category is A. larger than the sample mean of the sequence of first and 0, B. equal to the sample mean of the sequence of first and 0, C. smaller than the sample mean of the sequence of first and 0, D. the number of 0 divided by the number of first. The right answer is B. equal to the sample mean of the sequence of first and 0. 80. Which of the following is not a measure of variability? A. Variance, B. Standard deviation, C. Mean absolute deviation, D. Median, E. All of the above. The right answer is D. Median, because median does not tell us about variability, it only tells us about the middle value. 81. What is the median of the following set of score: 18, 6, 12, 10, 14? A. 10, B. 14, C. 18, D. 12. The right answer is 12. And in case of median, first we arrange the data 6, 10, 12, 14, 18 and then find the middle value. 82. Approximately what percentage of score fall within one standard deviation of the mean in a normal distribution? A. 34%, B. 95%, C. 99%, D. 68%. The right answer is 68%. 83. The standard deviation is A. the square root of the variance, B. a measure of variability, C. an approximate indicator of how number vary from the mean, D. all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. 84. The most frequently occurring number in a set of values is called the A. mean, B. median, C. mode, D. range. The right answer is mode. 85. As a general rule, the dash is the best measure of central tendency because it is more precise. A. mean, B. median, C. mode, D. range. The right answer is mean. 86. Focusing on describing or explaining data versus going beyond immediate data and making inference in the difference between A. central tendency and common tendency, B. mutually exclusive and mutually exclusive proportion, C. descriptive and inferential, D. positive skew and negative skew. The right answer is descriptive and inferential. In descriptive we explain the data and in inferential we summarize the data. 87. Why are variance and standard deviation the most popular measure of variability? A. They are the most stable and are foundation for more advanced statistical analysis. B. They are the most simple to calculate with large data set. C, they provide normally scale data. D, none of the above. The right answer is they are the most stable and are foundation for more advanced statistical analysis. 88. Which of the following statements are true? A, the unit for the standard deviation is the same as the unit for the data value. B, the average deviation of x1, x2, xn for the mean x bar may be positive or negative. C, the average absolute deviation of x1, x2 up to xn for the mean x bar is always 0. D, we use sigma square of the lowercase great letter sigma to denote the sample variance. The right answer is the unit for the standard deviation is the same as the unit for data value. 89. Which of the following is used as the divisor in the sample variance? A square where n is the sample size. A, 9 plus 1, n plus 1, B, n, C, n minus 1, D, n minus 2. The right answer is n minus 1. 90. Given that n equal to 10, sum equal to 25, sum x1 equal to 25, sum x I square equal to 5.512, then the sample standard deviation is A 7.012, B 6.704, C 7.067, D none of the above. The right answer is 6.704. 91. Which of the following statements are correct if yi equal to xi plus y, vi sum I equal to 1 2 3 4 up to n, a equal to y bar equal to x bar, b equal to y bar equal to x bar plus 5, c equal to x y square equal to x square plus 5, d equal x square equal to x square plus 25. The right answer is y bar equal to x bar plus 5. 92. Which of the following statements are correct if yi equal to 2xi, sum I equal to 1 to 3 up to n, a y bar equal to 2x bar, b y bar equal to 4x bar, c x y square equal to x square, d s y square equal to s x square plus 4. The right answer is y bar equal to 2x bar. 93. How many outliers are there in the data set? 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128 256 512 1024. The right answer is 1 because 1024 is very beyond from other values. 94. Which of the following would be greatly affected by outlier? A 1 interquartile range, 2 range, 3 median, A 1 only, B 2 only, C 1 and 2, D 1 and 3, 2 and 3. The right answer is 2 only. Range, only range is effective by outlier because in case of range we find maximum minus minimum. 95. If two distributions are symmetric and have the same range and the same mean, then which of the following statements are true? 1, they have the same standard deviation. 2, they have the same median. 3, they have the same interquartile range. A 1 only, B 2 only, C 3 only, D 2 and 3, E 1 2 and 3. The right answer is 2 only. 96. Two distribution have identical box plot. How many of the following may be true about the two distribution? 1, they have the same range. 2, they have the same interquartile range. 3, they have the same mean. 4, they have the same median. 5, the distribution have the same dot plot. A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4, 5. The right answer is the distribution have the same dot plot. 97. An investigator get a positive skewed data on account of having only a small number of simple numerical observation and extremely high value. It will give an overestimate of A mean, B median, C mode, D correlation, E model value. And the right answer is median. No. 98. In case of negatively skewed distribution, the extreme value lie in the A left tail, B right tail, C middle, D anywhere. The right answer is left tail.